Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Marcus by Goldman Sachs app for personal loan and credit. To download the Marcus by Goldman Sachs app, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Next, locate the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Press the search button to display the results. Look for the app with the official Marcus logo. Confirm that it is published by Goldman Sachs. Once you find the app, tap on it to open the apps page. Here, you will see an option to download or install. For iPhone users, tap on the Get button. Android users will see an Install button. Depending on your device, you may need to enter your Apple ID or Google account password. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see the app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to launch the Marcus app. Follow any on-screen prompts to set up your account. You may need to enter your email address and create a password. After completing the setup, you will access the app's main dashboard. From here, you can explore personal loan options and manage your credit. Enjoy using the Marcus by Goldman Sachs app for your financial needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.